Hi, my name is Jimmy Lick from Joe Riders TV Productions, and today we're going to learn how to cut out an object from an image and paste it into a new one. First thing you want to do is go up to File and import your image in. Go to Open. Now there's many ways to do this, but the way that's quickest for me is Quick Selection Tool. Click on that. My brush size is 30. That should be good for now. And basically you want to select everything on the outside of the person that you want to keep. Now you can get as detailed as you want. I'm just pretty much just going around him really fast. You can see that my arm didn't get captured, so I'll hold down the Alt tool and I will make sure that the arm gets in there. And the cigarette. And then right click, select inverse, and now that is just selecting him. Right click again, go layer via copy, and now you can see when we take out the background that we just have him. Now if I want to put this into a new image, what I'll do is I will right click on that layer and I will duplicate it into a new image. So go up to duplicate layer and see where it says document. I want to duplicate into a new document. So I'll click New, press OK. It'll automatically create a new document for me to where it's just that image that I cut out. That's pretty much it. The last thing you want to do is go up to File, Save As, and save as a new document. I'm Jimmy Lick from Joe Riders TV Productions. Thank you for watching.